young and impatient at the time. Although we were in love, we closed our minds when he told us love is like a rose. It doesn't just appear. Give it time to grow, or it ends with tears. There's gotta be a seed before the rose. Tender loving care makes it sweeter as it grows. There's gotta be tie is bound, or the rose will end with petals on the ground. But we paid no mind to the things we had been told, and we pledged our love with a band of gold on our fingers. Now as I look back, all that I can see is heartache and regret, and it's clear to me there's gotta be a seed before the rose. Tender loving care makes it sweeter as it grows. There's gotta be love before the tie is bound, will end with petals on the ground. There's gotta be a seed